Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're doing a review of this folding work table. Okay, so today we're doing a review of this folding work table, and it's probably the best little work table you've never seen before. Now, this little work table came to me from a viewer that is fairly close to me. So he brought this over. He said his dad had this work table for quite a while, and he's used it for all this time and so forth. And it's a good little work table. But his dad's getting a little bit on the older side, and he's not doing any work around the house as much anymore, or he's in no shape to do so, whatever, I don't want to go too much into that. Anyway, so his dad doesn't need the table anymore, and he gave it to me to do a review on it. So, thank you for that. He didn't want me to mention his name, so we'll leave it at that. Anyway, so this little work table is really nifty. I'll point out a lot of the features in a few moments, but the thing is, what I want from you guys is to help me out with what you think this work table is, because I looked online to see what this table is so I can give you more information on it while doing the review, and I could not find this table at all online. I mean, I know the manufacturer. It's covered up by the blue tape, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. But the thing is, I don't know where you can get this table. I don't know the name of it or model number or anything like that. I know who makes it, but I don't know what it's called. And I couldn't find out pricing or any of that kind of stuff. It's really a strange situation. Almost everything, you can find it online and find some information about it. But I did a search for folding work tables, collapsible work table, all sorts of stuff. And the Worx Pegasus comes up a lot, which is the closest thing to this, but this is not by Worx. So I'll show you the manufacturer in a little bit, but it's a nifty little table, and it's almost the same as the Worx. But I don't know if it costs more or less, but it's pretty much identical to it. And it works as a work table and as a sawhorse. And it is foldable. I'll show you right now. It's a very slim design. You can see it. You can slip it into a corner somewhere between different things and it won't take up any room at all. And it expands, it opens up. First of all, let me show you. You can carry it as a handle right here, so you can carry it from the handle this way, or there's a handle on the other side and you can carry it upside down. So, however it's convenient for you. It opens up. You can take out the top out of the bottom. There's the top right there, and the top. You put these in place, and the top goes right up above. I need to point it up. There we go. I'm going to take you right now up above and show you how it is. But you can see it's a nice little work table. And the legs are adjustable so that they do extend out further. And I'll show you that right now. So you can adjust the height of the table to whatever you want. And it has a nice little scale on there showing you the height that you adjusted it to. So whatever you need your work surface to be at, you can make it higher or lower. Now let me show you the top of it. Okay, so here we are looking at the top of it, and you can see that it'll work as a sawhorse. You can fold these in and make it narrower if you need to, or you can open them up and lock it in place to where it accepts the tabletop. And let me show you another shot of that. It's a neat little table. And everything locks in place together. Very lightweight. I'd say no more than 20, 25 pounds, somewhere around there. Not very heavy at all. The top has locks here that you lock it in place so that it stays in place. You lock it in place, both sides, and that way it won't move. It has a little tray here, which I really don't know what it's for. I don't know if it's to keep your bits or something like that. I really don't know. Has a nice rubbery plastic surface to it, so it holds your stuff so it won't move around very much. And it has these tracks in here. I don't know if this is for cutting or if it's for straps, or I really don't know what these grooves are for. If I could find an instruction online, it would help me a lot, but I really don't know much about this. But it's a good little table, like I said. Look at the dimensions of it. Very, very practical. You could put anything on top of it, and it holds it fairly nicely. And it has a rating here on the side. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it says 340 kilograms maximum, so 750 pounds. That holds a lot of weight, really, for a small plastic and aluminum. The legs are aluminum. Plastic and aluminum folding table. So it's really, really neat. So if you have any idea what this table is, what it's called, who it's made by, any of that information, put it in the comments below. I really want to know more. I really want to be able to fill this out a little bit more to help other people so they know what this table is, and if they like it, they can always get it online. It's a good little table. I've used it for a little bit now, and I could recommend it. I think it's a very nice little table. I have no problems with it, and it does come in very handy. Put it away, pull it out when you need it, etc. And I'll show you right now who the manufacturer is and see if you guessed correctly. There you go. Black & Decker. So it's not a Worx, it's a Black & Decker table. Now, is this a router table or something? This does not pop out. There is no way to pop it out from the other side. The other side is solid. So there's no way to do that. So it's not a router table, and it has no adjustments in this area here at all. So it's just a regular work table, and it's made by Black & Decker. And that's the only label that it has on the whole table at all. So I consider it to be a good table. It was given to me, like I said, by a viewer. Thank you to that viewer for giving it to me. I'm doing a limited review on it. I would definitely recommend it. It seems to be very functional, seems to be very useful. I like it. I think you would like it as well for, around the house, your job site, any situation like that. And, if any of you guys have seen this before, used it before, know what the name of it is, model number, anything like that, put it in the comments below. I really want to know more about this table. I want to know where to get it, how much it cost, and what it's called. All I know right now is that it's a Black & Decker folding work table. And I did look it up online, could not find any information about it. So this is a little bit of a puzzle. Let's see if you guys can help me figure it out. Anyway, so I'll leave it at that for right now. And hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this helped you out. Be sure to click like and subscribe and comment if you have any information on this. I really want to know more about it. So I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.